Hello students. In last class we studied some of the basic definitions of polynomials and we solved exercise 2.1. Now in this session I am going to explain you what is meant by zeros of a polynomial. So let us consider a polynomial. We already know that a polynomial can be expressed in p of x. So let us consider a polynomial. So p of x is equal to 5x power 3 minus 2x square plus 3x minus 2. Now, if we replace x by 1 everywhere in this p of x, what we will get? So, replace x by 1. So, p of 1. So, wherever you have x, replace x by 1. So, 5 into, instead of x I am putting 1. So, it is 1 cube minus 2 into, instead of x I am putting 1. So, 1 square plus 3 into 1 minus 2. So, the value is 5 minus 2 plus 3 minus 2. This is equal to 4. So, we say that the value of p of x at x equal to 1 is 4. We say the value of the polynomial p of x at x equal to 1 is 4. Now let us try to find the value of the polynomial p of x at x is equal to 0. So what we have to do? We have to replace x with 0. So wherever you have x, replace x with 0. So I am going to find p of 0. This is equal to 5 into 0 power 3 minus 2 into 0 power 2 plus 3 into 0 minus 2. So what we get? So here the values are 0. So we have minus 2. So we say that the value of p of x at x equal to 0 is minus 2. So the value which we obtain on substituting the values for x, so the final value what we get is known as value of p of x, and the value what we are substituting instead of x, so that is called the value of p of x at, suppose I am replacing here in this polynomial, replacing x by 0. So we say that the value of p of x at x equal to 0. If suppose I replace x with minus 1, so what happens? 5 into minus 1 power 3 minus 2 into minus 1 power 2 plus 3 into minus 1 minus 2. Here minus 1 to the power 3 is minus 1. Already we have 5, so it is minus 5. Then minus 1 power 2, it becomes plus 1. 1 into minus 2, minus 2. Plus into minus, minus. 3 into 1, 3. Minus 2. So minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7. Minus 7 minus 3 is minus 10. Minus 10 minus 2 is minus 12. So the value of p of x at x equal to minus 1 is minus 12. Now come to the definition of zeros of a polynomial. Consider a polynomial p of x is equal to x minus 1. Now find the value of the polynomial p of x at x equal to 1. That is, we are finding p of 1. What happens? We have to replace every x with 1. So we have only one x term here. So 1 minus 1. This is equal to 0. So we say that 1 is a 0 of the polynomial p of x. That is, when we substitute a value instead of x, if the polynomial value becomes 0, the value which we substituted for x is known as 0 of the polynomial. If suppose you did not understand, consider another polynomial p of x is equal to x minus 2. Here try to find p of 1, that is 1 minus 2, which is equal to minus 1. Now try to find p of 2, that is 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So the polynomial value becomes 0 when we substitute 2 instead of x. So 2 is called 0 of the polynomial p of x. Here when we substitute 1, we did not get 0. So 1 is not a 0 of the polynomial. So do you understand what is meant by 0 of a polynomial? So the value which when substituted in place of x makes the polynomial plus 0 is called the 0 of the polynomial. Now we are going to find what is the difference between 0 and 0 and root. Consider the polynomial p of x is equal to x minus 1. This is called a polynomial. When we substitute p of 1, we get 1 minus 1. This is equal to 0. Therefore 1 is 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial x minus 1. Now suppose we equate this p of x to 0. What we get? We get x minus 1 is equal to 0. This is called polynomial equation. This is called polynomial equation. So here 1 is called root of the polynomial equation. So polynomial when equated to 0, it is a polynomial equation. Okay, so the polynomial equation, the value of x which satisfies the given polynomial equation is called root of the polynomial equation. 0 and root are the same meaning, but we express the terms in different context. That means when we talk about polynomial, we say it as 0. When we talk about polynomial equation, we name the term as root of the polynomial equation. So both the things are same, but the context where we are using the term, that is going to make a difference. So when we talk about a polynomial, we name the term as 0. When we talk about the polynomial equation, we name the term as root.